Hi, I'm Jo Fennick and I'm the Director of Learning for Reigate School of Art, and I would like to welcome you to our virtual end-of-year exhibition 2020. Things have been done rather differently this term, which we've embraced, and we are therefore able to bring you this opportunity virtually, whereas we wouldn't have had an exhibition otherwise. And also another big thing that's changed this term is our assessment for students. So the assessment methods have changed dramatically across all qualifications, but this has not stopped us from carrying on delivering our teaching and learning to our students. This is so important for them. They need to be learning the skills that they need to progress on to next. So they may wish to be progressing internally in East Surrey College, or going on to university, or indeed working within the creative industries. So these things have to carry on, and the staff have been incredible. Their energy and enthusiasm has carried on supporting the students throughout this difficult lockdown period, with whichever restrictions or circumstances each student has to face. So I really would like to thank our staff. The focus has remained on our students' well-being and their success, and staff have just been crucial in that happening. So thank you very much to all the staff. You've been absolutely brilliant. Your lecturing staff have just maintained this level of expertise, which has been outstanding. Our learning support staff have been crucial and super important part of the team during this period. Our technicians have been excellent, showing students how to adapt what they've got and different circumstances that they're in, to still be able to achieve the level of creativity, which you can see is quite outstanding from when you see the work. I'd also like to thank our curriculum support and my programme manager, Steve, for being supportive and helpful and making this whole sort of process really smooth. I'd like to especially thank Stephen Harvey, who's our creative media course leader. He has been really pivotal in producing this website, this Neutral Grounds website, on which we're holding our virtual exhibition. So thank you, Steve, very much. Some of the work that you need to have a look out for on the site is some of the media work, which is our film and television students as they educate and inform you about what some topical subjects that are happening at the moment. Our photography students, to see the world through their eyes is such a privilege. Games design students will show you a whole range of aspects of their industry and maybe have some games for you to play as well. Our music students have produced a lockdown mix, which is fantastic. You must have a listen to that. And we've also got some of our higher education students exhibiting their work as well. So that's photography and theatrical media makeup and special effects. And that's not to be missed. Our art students will go from level 1 through to level 4. So it's a real privilege to see how they grow their skills and techniques through the different levels as they mature and start to apply their skills in different ways towards their own pathways, which might be fashion or 3D or graphic design. And that sort of reaches a key point with the level 4 foundation students' work, which is absolutely incredible and so diverse. So you must take the time to look at that work especially, please. We also have some adult learners exhibiting some photography work, so that's also, we're pleased to include that too. So with your visit around the site, please do leave any feedback where you can. So that may be within the sites themselves or on social media, or you may email us with any feedback that you have, which the students would greatly value. A lot of the links within the site might take you off to other student sites, so just keep coming back to that Neutral Ground site and exploring further. And it's an absolute labyrinth of creativity that I really hope you're going to spend some time exploring, enjoying, and being amazed at all the different things you see and how those skills are so relevant for our creative industries now. The only thing I can't do really is offer you a glass of Prosecco, but that's just how it is, I'm afraid. But anyway, have a fantastic time exploring our exhibition. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.